The escape velocity interactive calculator determines the minimum velocity needed to escape a celestial body's gravitational pull. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 5 options. Calculate escape velocity, calculate required mass, calculate required radius, calculate specific escape energy, and compare 2 celestial bodies. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate escape velocity. The input fields are mass m in kilograms and radius r in meters. There's also a calculate button to execute the computation. Let's work through an example using Earth's parameters. I'll enter a mass of 5.972 times 10 to the 24th kilograms and a radius of 6.371 times 10 to the 6th meters. After clicking calculate, the results show an escape velocity of 11,185.98 meters per second. That's also displayed as 40,269.52 kilometers per hour. The calculator additionally provides the orbital velocity at 7,909.68 meters per second, and the ratio Vesk over Vorbit equals 1.4142, which confirms the theoretical relationship between escape and orbital velocities. This tool streamlines escape velocity calculations for any celestial body. Find the link in the description below.